Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. Today we are going to discuss about to the life cycle hooks. In the one of the life cycle hooks is the render callback. So how it is works render callback. So the render callback is the life cycle hook that allowed to the manipulating to the DOM after the component has been rendered, and this is a particularly useful to the task like accessing or modifying the DOM directly after component has been rendered on the page without manual interaction. It is automatically rendering the pages. So now we can see the one of the basic example how it is works, life cycle works in the render callback. So come to the our VS code. So here, so we are going to create the one of the LWC component. So here, callback example. So in this example, I'm going to display the time. Every time, every second is time is updating and automatically rendering the data and displaying the data here. So here, this purpose, I'm going to take the one variable. So current date time. So here on load of the page, we need to display the data. So that's why here we are going to take the connected callback. So in this connected callback too, we are going to get the data. So get current date time. This is the one of the method I am taking the here. So this dot we are taking the one of the variable, right? So current to get date and time equals to new date of, this is, it is written to the current date and time. And now this would be the, we are going to set to the regular intervals purpose. So here we are going to take the intervals. So set interval. So this is the standard JavaScript function. Okay, so here, so we are going to take the intervals 1000 seconds, means it is 1 second. It is automatically getting to the latest data here. So I saved this, and this method I'm calling to the in this connected callback, this dot get current date and time. And at the same time, we need to display latest data, right? So that's why here we are going to rendering the data, and we can get we can display the latest data. So then here we are going to take the rendered callback. In this render callback, again we can call to the this dot get current date and time. So now come to the here. Now we are come to the here. So here we have to the true. We can deploying to this. We can set by the targets. So here target app page and HTML. We have to display the data. So lightning code. So title equals to rendered callback. So now here current date time. So here we can display the our attribute current date time. So this is the our attribute name. What is the we are defining, right? This is the our property name. So now I am deploying to the this whole LWC component, deploying to this. So now come to the Salesforce. So need to display the our component, take the one app builder. So app builder, so click on new. So taking the app builder, so rendered callback. So click on next, one region, done. Now come to the here, our example is the rendered callback. So here drag and drop to the here. So click on save, activate, save, finish, back to the page. So now come to the our application real-time scenarios LWC application. So here I'm adding the tab in this app. So here add more, all, rendered callback, see, save. See now see. So when the page is loading, automatically call by the connected callback after the time is changing, right? See here, automatically rendering the page. So we can display it by the some standard format. So here we are going to display to this is to the time dot to string. So local string. So here it is displayed within the local format. Again, I'm deploying to this. So it is successfully deployed. Back to the org, refresh to the page. See here, so automatically date is updating to the here and displaying the latest data. So what happened in here, once the page is loaded, automatically call by the connected callback. When the page loading time, it is displaying the current data. And after that, render callback, it is executing. When it is called render callback, it is the accessing the data and modifying the data. And what happened to the after component is the rendering and displaying the latest current date and time into the UI. So like this render callback is working without manual interaction, without rendering the manually. It is automatically rendering to the component and display the data into the in UI or on the page. So like this, it is working to the render callback. I hope to it's clear to the scenario. Thank you guys. Please watch to the more scenarios for the real-time scenarios. Thank you.